Hello, today on Man Made, we're going to make muesli bars. What we're using 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. We're using 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. This is a 500 gram jar, so it's about half of this, that's 1 cup. And we're using half a cup of honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and this is a fruit and nut mix that you can buy ready-made or make it yourself. You can use any nuts you want. You can use pepitas, almonds, shredded coconut, pecans, walnuts, any nut you want. That's the oatmeal, peanut butter, honey, and we've lined a 20 by 20 centimetre tray to put it in. And now to mix it all, so we pour the oats in. Then we get the dried fruit and nut mixture, pour that in, mix it all together. So you put the maple syrup or honey, I'm using honey today, into another bowl. If it's hard to come out, put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds and soften it, because honey sometimes goes hard. Pour it in there. Get your vanilla essence, pour 1 teaspoon into the honey or maple syrup, and then get the peanut butter and put 1 cup, which is basically half of this jar in there. Don't forget the taste test, always important. Then you get a spoon and you mix all the ingredients together in here. The maple syrup or honey with the peanut butter and the vanilla essence. Okay, so once all that's combined, that goes into there. And it looks good too. Can't wait till it's finished. Now when you mix it, you can use a spoon or your hands. I'm going to use my spoon today. Mix it in well. It'll form a, I guess you could say, a doughy consistency. Then you get the tray, transfer it all into the tray. Let's see if I can get all in the tray and not on the kitchen bench. And you can press it down like that, or use the bottom of it, give it a good press, press it all down. Okay, and you smooth it all out like that nicely. That's going to be muesli bars. So you get your knife, and that's it. Yeah, you cover it with Glad wrap, whack it in the fridge here. You can go from 1 hour to overnight. Overnight's better, obviously, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. That's the finished product. Ange wrapped them up like muesli bars, take to work. Some people may say it's a lot of work for muesli bars to drive one in the shop, but this way, I know what's in them. Whereas in the shop ones, I don't really know what's in them. And as you can see, look at that. All the goodness on it. And you can put any nuts that you want in there, any berries, and then you just, that tastes so good. You can taste all the nuts, all the oats, the honey, delicious. And we'll see you next time on Man Made.